I'm going to show you how to make a meal that's healthy with over 5 of your portions of veg per day, on a cheap budget and very quick to make. Watch this. Right, boil this to make couscous. Oil in the pan heating up to cook chicken. 350 grams of chicken, half an onion, spring onions, sweet corn, spinach, peppers, passata. Watch this. Just to show you, 11:24. This will probably take me about 5 minutes, 10 minutes maximum. Off to a great start here. Right, that's the kettle boiled, so we're going to grab you. I'm going to pour you onto that, like that. Right, that's the easy bit. Now we're going to leave this bad boy. We'll come back to this in about 10 minutes. Watch this. All right, we're 2 minutes in. That's cut up. And that's still going. So we're going to take this and just tuck her in like that. Right, that's one. Oh, this is hard doing it in one hand. I should have brought my camera stand for this. Right, peppers in. Come on. Right. Now, probably could do some more peppers in there, but I'm gonna add the passata in a second and the other stuff, so hold on. Now, when I was cooking downstairs, I did say this was a cheap meal on a budget, so I wanted to show you kind of like what the costing looks like. So I've left it here, as you can see. That's how much it was to cost to buy all the items for this. The shop cost about £10 or just over £10. Obviously the vegetables and the couscous I'm going to get multiple meals out of. But staggering, isn't it? £2.32 to make this whole meal that you're about to see. You know, healthier and cheaper than a meal deal, and you can bulk cook this stuff. Like I said, I can get 2 meals out of this. I mean, you can buy bigger chicken and bulk cook this, and look how cheap that is. So let me know in the comment section if you're already bulk cooking, what's your favorite type of meal to bulk cook, and if you're not, what's stopping you? You can see how easy it is in this video to make healthy meals that you can make for the rest of the week. So let me know, love to hear from you. Just to confirm as well, the peppers, spinach and sweet corn was from the freezer. Obviously onions, spring onions was not. And it's not easy to do with one hand, but you're kind of gonna get a bit of a gist here of what I am doing. Obviously I'm going to stir it a little bit better, but you get the idea. The thing that takes the longest with this, by the way, is the spinach. This thing just takes forever to break down and cook. I don't know why. Probably because it's frozen. Alright, 11:36, we're pretty much done here. Got 173 grams of couscous plated, and this is done now, so I'm going to whack all this on. So yeah, 12 minutes from nothing to 2 or 3 cooked meals, let's say. 12 minutes. All right, you can see the steam. This is the moment you've been waiting for. This is what it looks like plated. All right, look at that. So that's couscous, chicken, then what? Passata, spinach, sweet corn, peppers, onions, and spring onions. So there's at least 5 or 6 portions there of your daily fruit and veg. Nice and easy. So like I said before, I made enough here for at least 2 meals. So I'm gonna have this now for lunch, and then I'm gonna have it for dinner later. I've left on the sides here so you can see how many calories we're talking and how many in your macros, you know, your proteins, carbs and fats. But yeah, look how easy that was. That's a meal, very healthy, very quick, and on a budget. So simple, you can do it too. See you in the next one.